Lost dog spends 17 days fighting off coyotes to survive the frigid wilderness. Let's go.
Whoa.
Let's go. Now, I have a personal coyote story. I had a coyote in my yard the other day. I told you this?
Yeah.
Yeah, and he was injured, and he was just staring at me like I was supposed to do something. I was like, man, this guy's back leg, he's not putting any weight on it. And I encounter them all the time, so like it's not a really surprising thing. But this one just refused to leave, and it wasn't like anyone was feeding it or anything like that, and it was limping. And so I called the animal control, and they came, and as soon as they showed up and tried to get near it, it ran away on 3 legs. Came back later and did the same thing over again until eventually, like, whatever, it was gone, and we wondered what might have happened to it. By the way, I had a thought in the shower this morning. What if it was faking it?
Just to...
Because I've seen dogs fake injuries before.
Well, they play with some dogs to lure them into the forest, and then...
That just crossed my mind this morning. I don't believe that to be the case because of this guy was biting the back leg, and it looked real to me. But it crossed my mind, wow.
Yeah, they're smart. Coyotes are smart.
So anyway, but look at this. This dog was able to fend them off. Judy and Walter Preston have had a hard time resisting rescue dogs over the years. They've adopted 10 different dogs. They met Maggie. They fell in love. On her second day with the Prestons, she made a shocking escape. Community members came together to help the rescue dog return home safely. So how big is this dog, Will? Keep scrolling. Oh, okay. So it's a decent-sized dog out there in the wilderness.
So cute.
Yeah, mid-sized dog.
A mid-sized dog. Well, I was thinking if you're going to go 17 days, it looks actually thin there, though.
It does.
It probably...
A little sad looking.
You got to get the food going right away. You got to get the treats going. A couple treats after 17 days.
Yeah.
On the road.
I'm happy for these people.
Now, I wonder how they know that it was fighting off coyotes. Let's see. The day after Maggie's adoption, the couple brought her home. They suspect that the pup somehow squeezed out of the crate and opened the lever handle door, but they're not sure. She immediately began reaching out to neighbors, putting up lost dog flyers. Yeah, the dog is skinny at this moment. Lost dog. Oh, it was skinny before it was lost. I guess it's a rescue dog.
Right.
The lost dog flyers reminded people to not chase or follow Maggie since she was in flight mode. That's interesting. Whenever I see those flyers, do not chase, do not call the dog, do not yell at the dog. Have you seen this?
No, I've never seen this.
Well, like some dogs are not responsive.
Right.
And they get in a panic state. When they're lost, they don't know where they are.
Oh, you mean don't call the dog?
Yes.
Oh, okay, right. So I was like, this is so counterintuitive.
Yeah, don't chase them. It'll make it worse.
Right.
It's a tough situation. Anyway, here we go. The cameras spotted the dog. Okay, so they set up live traps, feeding stations, and cameras. Wow, what an effort to get a lost dog. The cameras spotted the dog several times, including a time when she fought off coyotes. Damn, let's go.
Oh my God, and the weather, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, well, that's what I thought when I saw the injured coyote. Immediately, it was one of those really cold nights, and I was like,
She's a fighter.
Going to be touch and go on that one. Anyway, yeah. 17 days alone in the wilderness. Dog pulled it off. So
they must be so happy.
There's a good news story for you guys.